So today is an elegant 2-minute bun. So you're going to start off by just smoothing that hair down using some spray if you want to, some wax spray or hairspray. I'm using a little smoothing brush here and just make that a really nice, perfect low ponytail. Tie a hair tie in there. And then I'm using some hair padding, which is just a bun maker that I've cut up. And then I'm going to wrap that round the hair tie and that's just going to be pinned into place. This just helps with volume and also pinning the bun. You're then going to take your fingers and wrap that piece of hair underneath and then over the top. So make sure it kind of comes under first and then flips over. You're then going to take some long hair grips or hairpins and just push that into the sort of first bit that you folded first. Then take your smoothing brush and smooth out those ends, and then you're going to pin that top section into place just straight through the hair. Just push it straight through. And then again, just making sure that piece of hair is all perfect, no flyaways. Use some spray if you need to. And you're going to pin that side section. It's going to create like a swirl effect, which I think looks really pretty. And then you'll just pin that tail behind the bun. And there we have it, a 2-minute perfect, elegant bun. Great for work, great for weddings. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.